Okay, welcome back. I'm going to be going through this Year 9 credit card task, and I'm going to show you how to do part two. So you create a new table. It shows what happens if you pay out $50 per month. Okay, so how much will you owe after a year's worth of repayments? All right, so I'm going to do something similar. In fact, I can pretty much more or less copy out what I've done so far. I'm just going to edit things. I'm just going to take this, take it to sheet 2, and just see if that works. All right. So let's zoom that in a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okay, and let's make that a little bit bigger. There we go, and fix that. Okay, so more or less it's the same thing, except for the debt at the end after each month. We're also going to let's do a repayment. Okay, so we're going to do a constant repayment. Let's put it in here. Okay, make that a little bit bigger. All right, so repayment is going to be $50. Okay, so we got that there. Yep, there we go. Okay, so at the end of this one, yeah, let's start with that repayment. So you still have to pay the annual fee, and we'll subtract off our repayment. Okay, so all I did was I just updated that one, so I subtracted off the repayment. And notice there was an effect on the subsequent values later on. Okay, now more or less you can do that for the remaining rows as well. Subtract the payment from that value, and we get that. Okay, so now we can drag and drop that. Okay, did that work? Nope. Okay, I understand what I did wrong. Made that mistake before. Okay, now because that's a fixed value, like that $50 only exists in one spot. It's important that we put our dollar signs in. So put a dollar sign in front of the B and a dollar sign in front of the 10. Okay, that way when we update, it will keep referring to that cell. All right, and yep. Okay, so notice then, let's have a look. Okay, yep, that's fine. Let's go to one of the later cells. Okay, open up. Yep, so it's referring to that one is adding the interest. Okay, yep, T8. Yeah, then the previous value is adding that value and it's subtracting the repayment. So yeah, you notice you're actually getting a reduction in the debt over time. So um, yeah. Okay, so that is how you calculate what would you still owe after 1 year. All right, I hope that helped.